If you're in your 20s and still thinking money management is something you'll figure out later, stop right there. Because later, it comes faster than you think. And it comes with bills, regrets, and debt you didn't see coming. Imagine being 30, no savings, no investments, drowning in credit card debt, still eating instant noodles for dinner. Scary, right? But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be your story. Welcome to Pure Finance Hub, where we turn money confusion into clarity and ordinary lives into extraordinary ones. Today, I'm going to show you how to manage your money in your 20s, even if you're broke, scared, or just getting started. This isn't just about dollars. It's about your freedom, your future, and building a life you don't need a vacation from. Stick around, because the fifth tip, it's the one 99% of people never do, but it's the real game changer. Let's dive in. Get real with your numbers. First up, face the numbers. I know, looking at your bank account feels like checking your GPA after a surprise exam. But here's the truth. You can't fix what you won't face. So open your banking app. Yes, right now. Track your income. Track your spending. See exactly where your money goes. Because unmanaged money doesn't just disappear. It vanishes. Quick question. If your wallet had a voice, would it scream or whisper, "Help me, I'm dying"? Build a budget that doesn't suck. Now that you know your numbers, it's time to build a budget. But not the boring kind with 17 Excel tabs. You need a system that works with your lifestyle. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings or investments. And here's a twist. Save first. Spend what's left. Not the other way around. Budgeting isn't about cutting fun. It's about controlling your future. You don't need to stop drinking coffee. You just need to stop wasting money. Destroy debt before it destroys you. Let's talk about the monster in the closet. Debt, especially credit card debt. That 25% interest, that's legal robbery. Start with the avalanche method. Pay off high-interest debts first while paying the minimum on the rest. If you've got student loans, don't panic. Don't ignore them either. Make a plan. Stick to it. Adjust if you need to. Because debt doesn't just cost money. It delays your dreams. And speaking of dreams, what if I told you the next step could help you retire early? Start investing. Even $10 counts. Here's the truth. You don't need thousands to invest. You just need to start. In your 20s, time is your superpower. Compound interest turns small amounts into serious wealth. Start with a Roth IRA. Use investing apps like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Robinhood. Remember this, the best time to plant a tree was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. And let's be honest, waiting until you're rich to invest is like waiting until you're fit to join the gym. It doesn't work. Build an emergency fund. Life happens. Your car breaks down. Your job suddenly ends. Your phone dies the week rent is due. This is why you need an emergency fund. Start with just $500, then build up to 3 to 6 months of living expenses. It's your financial safety net, and it's non-negotiable. But while your emergency fund protects your present, what protects your future self? Let's talk about that. Design your financial vision. Where do you want to be in 5 years? Wealth isn't just a number. It's freedom. The freedom to travel, to say no to toxic jobs, to live life on your own terms. Write your goals down. Visualize them. Now reverse engineer your steps to get there. When your why is strong, your discipline becomes unstoppable. Don't just earn, learn to grow. In your 20s, your biggest asset is not your paycheck. It's your ability to learn. Read books, watch videos, listen to podcasts, learn about investing, side hustles, taxes, credit, and real estate. Money grows where knowledge flows. And hey, when was the last time you read a money book that wasn't written by someone with a yacht and a tan? Start with The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. It will change how you see everything. If you've made it this far, I know one thing. You're not average. You're not here to survive. You're here to thrive. Managing your money in your 20s isn't optional anymore. It's the foundation of your future success. So here's your challenge. Pick one step from this video and do it today. Because your future self, they're already waiting to thank you. And hey, if you find this helpful, share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified of all my videos. Because in my very next video, I'll show you top 10 money-saving hacks that actually work, packed with smart tips you can apply right away to keep more of your money. This is Pure Finance Hub, where your financial freedom begins.